welcome back. This is AJXG here. I have another video for you guys. So I have an unboxing of the iPhone 11. Okay, I am a Galaxy person. I have been with Samsung since Galaxy S2. I have the S10. Every time I do an unboxing, I'm recording. Before it was with my S8, and then when S10 came out, it was with S10. So I am going to switch over. I'm going to try for 2 weeks. I'm going to do another video about switching from Android to iPhone. Okay. The main reason why I'm switching is because all my friends left me, and they said I should try it. I shouldn't knock it before I try it. The last time I tried the iPhone, it was the iPhone 5S. So it's been a while, and that phone was so small, and I just couldn't. Okay. All right. So I got the product red because, of course, why not? Okay, I got the 64 gig because, you know, I don't know if I'm going to stay with it, and I should be, you know, just in case I don't, I can send it back. The Galaxy has abundance of space. I have 128 gigs on my Galaxy, on my Galaxy S10, right? And I have an SD card, and they're both pretty much full. So we're going to see what this 64 is about to do. Ooh, well, that's nice. It got like a little thing to protect the camera. Look at that. This phone is beautiful. The box is mad big. I thought it was going to be huge. All right, let's see what we get in here. Look at that. This is a beautiful device. All right, we're going to set that down over there. We got our books. Let us know it's product red. Stickers, you know, I wish Samsung gave us some stickers, you know, a little something. Even Google gives us stickers. Google Pixels. All right. This is the regular power brick. Now, I don't understand why Apple doesn't, you know, give you the okay, these are your wired AirPods, and I'm saying that because that's what it says on the box, guys. Hold on, where it says, okay, EarPods with Lightning connector. They think they fucking slick. Anyways, these are your headphones, you know. This is your charging cable. Okay, so I know you can get the fast charging power wire and a fast charging brick off Amazon. So once I find one that I like, I will let you guys know. Alright, so let's power this on. I hope I'm powering it on. Yes, I am. Oh, this is a beautiful phone. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Just look at it. Oh boy. I'm glad I went with the red. I was going to go with the mint, but the mint was going to take forever to come. And yeah. So this notch is insane. Look at that. Oh my God. How do y'all... That's going to take an adjustment period. I'm going to honestly say that. Can I skip all this? Or Apple just, you know, says hello in every language possible. But yeah, so this is the iPhone 11. You know, I'm not going to do a long unboxing because everyone under the sun has unboxed this device. But I just wanted to do an unboxing for my subscribers. So you can see the device. Why is it blinking? It's like, are they trying to like, oops. I'm an idiot. Okay, I had to touch something at the bottom. Okay, I am in the United States. Quick start. All right, so I'm gonna, you know, put my SIM in, set it up, and let's see from there. Sorry. Okay, so I am set up. Okay. So this is really nice. I mean, everyone's like it moves faster than Android. I think it moves about the same. But you know, I haven't tried setting up certain things. So this is the device. This is pretty cool. I just want to show you guys some cases I got with it. Again, next week I will be 2 weeks from now I will be doing a comeback of whether I'm sticking with iOS or not. Sorry, you hear me opening the shit. So yeah, but I'm just waiting for a jailbreak because I really have to customize my apps. Like, I don't like my apps all in one place, so I'm not transferring everything from my Android over. So I'm just not gonna do that. It's just not gonna happen. So this is the case. Okay, it's a little $6 case. All right. I think it's like a gel. I don't like. Listen, if it drops, this is not protected compared to the spec case that I have for my Android. But I don't drop my phone. I don't drop it. That, like, no. My Android I throw around because I know it could survive. But just iPhone, this is the guy. So it's called Trinium. I don't know. Try whatever. Let me dust this off a little bit. This shit is big as hell. I don't know. Maybe the other one is... Oh, okay. Alright. And the case doesn't make it seem huge. I like. Alright. And I swipe up for now. You know, for video purposes. But yeah, this is it. I won't be a blue bubble anymore. I mean, a green bubble anymore. At least for the next 2 weeks. So this is the phone. This is the device. Everyone got this screen protector. I watch Floss. He's like one of my favorite YouTubers at unboxings. So he recommended this. So I'm gonna slap this on there. And yeah. So I don't know if you noticed my little custom boxes, canvases in the back. You can get them from a Geek Fuel. Okay, I will leave a description down below so you can get a discount when you order a box. I will leave the case and the screen protector down below. You can get this from your service provider if you want me to leave a link to get it unboxed. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, the camera is going off. They're looking for my face. Nope, I'm not putting no face unlock on this. No. But yeah, so this is the device. And if you want, I can share some apps that I got with you. And when I finally jailbreak it, I can share with you how to jailbreak it. Alright guys, HXG out.